fart machine outlet hall for Bluegrass. You're not eating your crab? Why?
I don't know how to sneeze.
She said, did I do that?
It's still not
Did
working.
you just take those?
No.
I'm not even joking.
No, Mark!
Amanda just took my food.
Haley, want my powdered chicken? That lady is.
Mark, not some of that chicken.
You need to get off my chicken.
Please,
You need to pick better.
please. Mark, please. Ew, Mark, how do you still eat all that? You're fat.
I'm saying it might be better to walk through groups of people and do it. Like have it in your pocket or my bag.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
what's the way?
Let's go.
Which way? Alright, Haley.
Yo la acompaño a ella.
What's your thing? And they would...
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. I think the button's stuck or something. I'm not doing it.
What is going on? Gotta mind the phone or something.
And some kind of fart back loop. All right, it's not working. I just wish that we had.
You guys still have food coming?
I hope.
You guys still have food coming?
Yeah, I think so.
I think this is it.
All right, thank you very much, guys.